Hello everyone! If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, hello! Thank you all for joining. This is just a quick unboxing of a Louis Vuitton SLG from the 2020 Christmas animation collection. It came on the day we were leaving for a holiday vacation, so I couldn't unbox. Now that we're back, let's unbox this tiny thing together. By the way, don't forget to join my giveaway. The link is above and in the description box down below. While I'm doing the unboxing, let me tell you a bit of our trip. We were in the mountains of Koblenz to visit the most beautiful castle I have ever seen in Germany. I'll do a separate vlog on that. It was even more beautiful than Neuschwanstein Castle. I apologize if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Neuschwanstein Castle, if you don't know yet, is the Walt Disney inspired castle. But this castle we visited was even more magical than Neuschwanstein Castle. That's why I missed you guys this week. I couldn't go online, I couldn't watch YouTube videos because internet was not really good in that area. I'll insert the picture of the castle here so you'll know what I'm talking about. Sorry, let's get back to the unboxing. Are you guys excited to see what I've got? There she is! The Louis Vuitton round coin purse from this year's Christmas animation collection. There's Vivienne in bomb car. It has the red interior and red trimming. I know there are two designs for this coin purse, but this year in Germany, this is the only design they have on the website. Wasn't easy to get, but I'm happy to get one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye!